Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Memory Course 3, Episode 4, Part 2, The Statue of Liberty. Follow and imagine this story, called the Statue of Liberty story. Simply, it starts with the Statue of Liberty. Let your imagination go wild. Vividly see everything that you hear. It would even be better if you are having your eyes closed. You see the Statue of Liberty, holding a torch and a book. On the top of the Statue of Liberty is a big fat man. In his right hand is an electric power drill. In his left hand is a bar of soap. He drills into the soap, and out of the soap comes tumbling purple pennies. They fall into a padlock. Clink, 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 clink. On the back of a house trailer, which is being pulled by a big black limousine, being driven by John Travolta, who's wearing a black Stetson hat, black vest, and black boots. Sitting next to John Travolta is Marilyn Monroe. She's wearing a pink polka bikini. On her lap is a notebook. She's writing to her agent. In the back seat is a big Saint Bernard, who is wearing a big fur coat and a diamond collar. In his mouth is a Havana cigar. And a mountain lion jumps into the back seat, grabs the cigar, jumps out of the other side, runs up a palm tree, and the palm tree falls and crashes on the Statue of Liberty. Okay, open your eyes. Now, let me tell you what happens. At this point, many people say, Joe. In London, I was Joe Rayner, my stage name back then. I didn't get specific pictures. As a matter of fact, when you came to the one point in the story called Purple Pennies, hey, I haven't seen Purple Pennies. I don't have a file for Purple Pennies. What do I do now? I said, that's okay. The process of creating a brand new image out of your mind stimulates your brain better than anything else, because your mind has to go through this process of saying, hey, I've got a file for purple, I've got a file for pennies, but I ain't got a purple penny file. So you create a brand new pic. And this process is wonderful and stimulating for your memory. Now listen to the story one more time. This time, I want you to notice how fast the pics will go and come back to you. I want you to be more detailed, more specific. Pay extra attention and special attention on the color, on the texture, and on the details being said to you. But you will notice an interesting phenomenon. As you hear the story, when you get to a certain pic, most people will know the next pic before I even call it out, because your mind will throw it up to you before you even say it. This is going to be exciting. Close your eyes, stay focused, see it in your mind's eye, crystal clear. See the colors, hear the sounds. Be detailed with everything that you see. Just relax and let your imagination go free. You see the Statue of Liberty holding a torch and a book. On top of the Statue of Liberty is a big fat man. In his right hand is an electric power drill. In his left hand is a bar of soap. He drills into the soap, and out of the soap comes tumbling purple pennies. They fall into a padlock on the back of the long house trailer, which is being pulled by a big black limousine, which is driven by John Travolta. He's wearing a black Stetson hat, black vest and black boots. Sitting next to John Travolta is Marilyn Monroe. She's wearing a pink polka bikini. On her lap is a notebook. She's writing to her agent. In the backseat is a big St. Bernard. He's wearing a big fur coat and a diamond collar. In his mouth is a Havana cigar. A mountain lion jumps into the backseat, grabs the cigar, jumps out of the other side, runs up a palm tree, and the palm tree crashes on the Statue of Liberty. Okay? Open your eyes. And you could check out my transcript on YouTube and also read the subtitles. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. If you like the video, share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are many videos for you to watch and learn from. I see you in the course. Next, click on Video92U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Thank you.